Alright, welcome to the channel guys. As you could see, this is Apple Watch Series 3. So in this video I'll be giving a quick unboxing of this watch. So I got it from actually Reliance Digital and not from Flipkart. So you can buy it on Flipkart as low as 17 to 18,000, but the MRP mentioned here is 23,900. So as you can see, these are the details of the watch. So I have already unboxed it because I had to do it as I bought it from offline store. So this is how the box looks. It says designed by Apple in California here, and in this thing you have the charger for the watch, and this is the watch itself. So this is the Series 340. This is the Series 342 mm watch. So let me keep it aside for a moment and check what we have got inside this. So this is the Apple charger. So this is the magnetic charger through which you can charge the watch, and paperwork and an extra strap. So this is a large size strap, and the strap which this one has is a medium, I believe. So this is an extra. So this is a bigger strap which you get with this. So coming to the watch, this is how the 42 mm watch looks like. It's in grey color, so it has inbuilt mic. So this is a GPS model guys. So if you are interested in buying, the link is into description. You can buy it as low as for 18,000 rupees. And also, if you have any doubts or suggestions, do comment down below, and I'll share the experience about this watch in my next video. So this is how the watch looks. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.